Hello. Hi. I'm using Gridpaint.com to draw a picture. I already started it, but then my I'm sorry, my my antivirus protection finished downloading, so I could get screen recorder. So now you can see what's happening. Yay! I'm drawing a bunch of confetti cannons, just exploding confetti. They cans are going to say. Yes, this will be fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, poop. Okay. Much better. Now, you notice that there's tons of background noise? That is because I'm not recording with good recording voice. Oh, my brother does, but I don't hear him. So I'm going to start writing the word, and I don't have enough space to write it all. I'll make another confetti cannon. Rest again. This game's fun. Nah, not game though. Really. Well, at least I found how to erase things. That's good. I'm gonna use this color. Which is what I'm using to write the word confetti. Keeps erasing instead of doing what it's supposed to do. Oop, oop. Con. Oh, will I have enough of this? Yeah. They can go down one more. Con. Oh, again. Okay. Yeah, is that gonna be different? It also needs an exclamation point, but I'm really close to the end. Now we get T. Are there two T's in confetti? I think so. Yeah, there's two T's. And then I need to be black on confetti cannon color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna move. So, how are you guys doing? Of course, you can't talk to me because. Okay, I'm really new to this. This is obvious. But I'm trying to be good at this thing that I'm doing just for random fun. If you're wondering what recording software I'm using, I'll just tell you. It's faster than the one my cousin uses. Way faster. That might be because there's practically nothing on my computer. Because if I download anything, it'll be the slowest computer in the world. But now it's pretty fast, except when I'm playing music and playing a video game at the same time. And no, am I playing one of my actual video games that I like? Nope. I have to play Flash games because I can't download any games. I've only downloaded internet safety stuff and screen recorder, and we're making breakfast. Now it says confetti. Yay. I have to scroll to see all the confetti, but whatever. Now to draw the confetti. So I'm gonna start with pink because pink confetti is pretty. Who doesn't love confetti? I love confetti. Confetti's great. Background's yellow. Shows yellow. Because I mean, lots of yellows, lots of walls are painted yellow, right? So now red, red confetti. Oh, okay, whatever. There's confetti on the floor too. Ooh, okay. Now for some cool colors. Blue. We're gonna do blue. I hope my voice is actually being recorded. Oh gosh. You know what's really weird, and I've heard many of my favorite YouTubers mention this. I am typically a pretty shy person. Like, I would run a bunch of in front of a bunch of people, typically, and just say, "Hey guys, look at me draw a terrible drawing in Gridpaint." No, but I kind of am going in front of a million people and saying, "Hey, look at me draw a terrible drawing of confetti on Gridpaint." YouTube is fun. It's very fun, but it's weird. Whee! Okay, so block, blip, bloop, bleep, blop. Confetti, I'm done. Yay! Save. Confetti cannon. Description: a bunch of confetti cannons that say confetti and are shooting confetti. Confetti. Save. Okay, this is a 7-minute video. Confetti. I hope people like this. Okay, and done. Save as PNG and ping. And I'm done recording now. Bye.